Hey guys, it's Maria with WTI, and this shirt will let out the animal in anybody.
Let's talk about fun shirts. This shirt is such an amazing, fun shirt that my son absolutely loves. He loves animals and he loves to act like animals. He just loves this lion shirt. And the whole shirt is lion, so even if something is covering it, you can still see what it is. My son loves to jump and pounce. This shirt just makes him want to act like that even more. He has a stuffed animal, Pouncy, he calls it, and he just loves to play with Pouncy as he's wearing his shirt. He just really overall enjoys the shirt.
So if your child loves animals, I would definitely recommend this shirt. My son loves it. It's so much fun. He gets so many compliments on it, and we just love it. So highly recommend this shirt, and that's my point of view.